London, the home of Big Ben, double-deckers and the Queen of England. Across the city, you'll find St Christopher's Inn's hostels, each with its own character. Sleep in affordable dorms or luxury rooms. Start your day like a true Brit. Take the tube. Tick off your to-do list. Stroll around the markets. Live the London life. Check out the fashion. Taste the culture. Connect with locals. Have a cheeky pint. Or stay out all night. Cheers! The full London experience starts at St Christopher's Inns. Book direct now.